We are the new dealers for Renault starting today. We are glad. We feel more welcomed to be in Goa. Goa has been very good market with a good sales of cars. And with our mark at Pristine, we are very happy to be in Goa. Be very close to all the customers and the great product like Renault. We have launched our new showroom today in Panjim. We also have our showroom in Naveli. We have two workshops, one in Verna and one in Taleigao, Panjim. So we request all the customers of Goa to avail our services.
So as you see, the cars behind me, the Renault Kwid, the Renault Triber and the Renault Kiger, they're all synonymous with youthfulness, and hence they're so very apt for Goa. Each one of them is unique, having unique propositions for our consumers across.